Camarines Sur Provincial Fire Marshal, and Fire Senior Superintendent Aquiles Santiago, Acting Regional Director. Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, headed by Jail Chief Inspector Freddy P. Caballero II, Acting District Jail Warden. Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary and Philippine Coast Guard. Coast Guard Auxiliary, Captain Francis P. Maestrado, Indigenous Past Squadron Director, Deputy Director, Auxiliary District for Administration. Coast Guard Auxiliary, Rosalie Maestrado, Squadron Director, 908 Squadron. Coast Guard Auxiliary, Captain Winifredo Lacoste, Deputy Director, Auxiliary Squadron for Operation. Coast Guard Auxiliary, Romel Serrano, Deputy Director, Auxiliary Squadron for Administration. Coast Guard Auxiliary Captain Carlos B. Oliva, Squadron Staff for Operations, and Lieutenant Kenny E. Villaverde, Station Commander, Coast Guard Station Camarines. Maraming salamat po, Philippine National Police, Bureau of Fire Protection, Bureau of Jail Management and Penology,